What's up, guys? Today we are discussing BingX in 2026, whether it's still worth using and how it compares to other exchanges. BingX launched in 2018 and has grown into a mid to upper tier crypto exchange with over 10 million users worldwide. It offers spot trading, futures, copy trading boards, and earn features, making it popular for beginners and passive traders. In terms of ranking, it sits around top 10 for offshore and around top 15 for spot trading. So it's not on the level of Binance or Coinbase, but still a solid established platform. Fees are pretty competitive. Spot trading is around 0.1%, while futures fees are lower at 0.05% taker and 0.0% maker. Copy trading and bots use the same future fees with no extra charges. Its biggest advantage is copy trading, where you can automatically follow experienced traders, plus built in trading boards like grid and DCA strategies that are easy to use. So, is PingX worth it in 2026? Yes. If you want simple trading, copy trading, and automation tools, but if you are focused on high spot liquidity, bigger exchanges like Binance may still be better. Overall, BingX is a strong choice for beginners and passive traders. Thanks for watching.